Hi, this is Adam Taylor with the ITS Group. Thank you for persevering with us this long. We are now going to be taking a look at G Suite for the Chromebooks and also for the Chrome browser as well. In this video, we'll be setting up our web extension. We'll also be setting up Chrome Remote Desktop so that you can take full advantage of the LanSchool Teacher or the LanSchool Tech Console or the LanSchool Safeguarding Console from any device running Chrome. It's really cool. To begin with, what we'll do is we'll just zip this teacher down for now. We will come back to you later on. And we're going to open up a new browser window. Like this. And we want to go to admin.google.com. There we go. So log in as your admin. So we're going to start out by pushing out the Chrome browser extension, which will apply to Windows, Mac. It'll also apply to Chromebooks, obviously, anywhere where they may be signed into Google at the same point they're signed into the platform they're using. For example, if you have the G Suite link between AD, when a user logs into Windows, they'll also be logged into Google and they can dive straight into Google Classroom, Google Mail, and so on. What we're going to do, we're going to add one extension into the mix. So to do that, we go to Device Management. We then want to go to Chrome Management. We're going to go to User Settings. The first thing we're going to do is the Chrome extension. Now this will apply to any student device running Chrome. So we'll go to our LanSchool OU. And we're looking for a setting called Manage Force Installed Apps. So you scroll down, it's about a quarter of the way down the page. Click there. I'm going to select the Chrome Web Store. Just do a quick search for LanSchool. There it is. So the one you're looking for is the LanSchool Web Helper. If you click on Add, and then click Save, and then Save again. There's no special config required for the Web Helper. It's just an extension that allows you to limit the websites on Chrome. The other thing we want to do is push out the Chrome Remote Desktop, so that any teacher who has a device running Chrome, whether that's an Android tablet or a Chromebook of their own, or even a BYOD laptop, it'll just allow them to control the LanSchool console through the browser, which is very cool. This tends to be something we don't push out against the student OUs, only the staff. So we'll select a different OU. For you, this would be your staff. Again, we'll go to Manage Force Installed Apps, go to the Chrome Web Store, and do a quick search for Chrome Remote Desktop. There it is. Add that in and save, and then once that's done, you just go down to save in the bottom right, and now that's been saved as well. And that's it. That is all there is to it. And every time a teacher logs in, they will be able to access Chrome Remote Desktop. Anytime a student logs in, they'll be getting our Chrome extension for web filtering. For the Chrome Remote Desktop, there is a Windows installer if you like to install it as part of a group policy. There's also a web-based version that works really well. You can use that through the Chrome browser. The idea is that you're controlling one end with another, and you just need to have control of both ends. In the next video, we'll be taking a look at how to push out the Chromebook student app, and we'll give that a little test. And then after that, we'll be looking at the dynamic class lists. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please do give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one for the Chromebook deployment. Thanks.